This video is going to teach you how to do the Muay Thai head kick. You're not only going to learn the principles of the Muay Thai head kick, but Tito, I want to show these guys some setups that you can use to land that head kick. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Here we go. When it comes to the body kick, Tito, do you go on your toes or do you keep it a little bit flat?
Keep mine flat.
Not supremely flat. About how much you think you're coming off the ground?
Maybe 5% off the ground. Because if I come off the ground too much, then I'm not going to hit my target.
He's saying when he kicks, the foot is not all the way on the ground. It's not flat because you won't be able to turn, obviously, right? You don't want to hurt your knee. So when you step, just a little bit. If I'm aiming for the body or the arm, just a little bit off the ground. And from there, I turn, bang, okay? But when you're going with the head kick, that's when you go higher on your toes. Am I right, Tito?
Yes.
Is that what you do?
Yes.
All right. So same principles with the feet, all right? Stepping outside that line, pushing off the ground, but instead of the front leg, the base leg being flat on the ground or coming off the ground just a little bit like we do with the body kick, you're gonna come all the way up, okay? All the way up on your toes. Wanna show them, Tito?
Yes.
Okay, watch his feet, gang, because that's where we're starting off from, the foundation. And then we're gonna go from bottom to the top of this technique of the head kick. Here we go. Watch the feet. Body head kick, wham! Again, bam! Very good. You saw he stepped out, right? He pushed off the ground and he went up on his toes. So that's the foundation. That's the feet, right? Same principles like the body kick, stepping outside the line, pushing up on your toes, right? That's the feet. What about the hands? With the hands, hands are up by my eyebrows. When you step out with the body kick, of course, whop, I drop the lead hand, right? Drop the lead hand on my side. That's gonna allow you to swing and really turn. Okay, so those are the hands. That's what you're gonna do. Drop, bop, push off the ground, wham, and then go up. You ready, Tito?
Yes.
Show them what you got, Toothpick. First round was the feet. Second technique that we're working on right now is the hands. Here we go. Wham, very good. Again, bang, very nice. Not bad at all. So now we have the feet, we got the hands. Third is where you look. A couple ways that you can do this. Some people look at the head. To me, I like the neck. The head's a little bit smaller target, plus they can lean. However, if I'm going up with the kick, coming up, and then I like to bring it down. Boom. One more time. It's all about the target. Step out, swing, push, and I'm bringing it up and then down. Boom, right there. What about you, Tito? What are you doing?
I'm aiming right here on the neck, but since I'm a little bit more flexible and I have to get my leg up there more, I've kind of go bang, aiming there right there so I don't cut down on it.
Okay, so you go straight to the head?
Yes.
Okay, everybody's different, all right? More than one way to skin the cat. So Tito, let's show them right now. So we're gonna go with the head kick and he's gonna be looking at his target. Ready? Wham, all right, very good. And he goes back to balance. One more time. This time I'm not gonna lean forward. No, I wanna see him get it. What you got, Toothpick? Bam, bam. Very good. So now that you know how to do the Muay Thai head kick, we're gonna give you a few ways to set that up. You ready? Just tabernacle. Here we go. My man Red. The first one, this is what you're gonna do. So Bob, looking at the face, Bob, look up, look down, Bob, leg kick, boom. Bob, look down again, right? And from there, you just bring it up, question mark. Here you up and then bam, from there. One more time. Punch, leg kick, bam, no problem. Fade a little bit, bam, leg kick again, boom. Punch, look down, then you, bam. Straight from there, easy. So the technique is jab, leg kick, jab, leg kick. But remember to use the eyes to sell it. And when you're throwing a leg kick, it doesn't take a lot of power, all right? Because it's a setup shot. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. The bam. You have to sell it with the eyes though, okay? You're not gonna boom, because they're gonna block it. They're gonna keep their hands up. So you have to sell it. Sell it. Bam. Sell it with the eyes. There you go. Bam. And you, yep, there you go. Easy enough. Don't forget, sell it with your eyes. That's the main point. Trick them. Outthink them. I know you can do it. Next up on the menu of different ways to set up the Muay Thai head kick. One of my favorites. Very simple. You're gonna pull the lead hand, head kick. Here we go. Come on. You touch, bang, for my distance, bop, but you pull it. And when you pull it, they're gonna come forward just a little bit. Look what happens, okay? Bop, bop, pull, and from there, you straight head kick. You, bam! Easy enough, all right? You really wanna pull this one though. This won't work if I just touch. No, don't give it to me, Bop. See, boom. He's already there, he knows what's coming. This is how we're gonna set that up. You're gonna go feint, jab, feint, vertical jab, feint, pull, head kick. All right? Simple. Very slow. Feint, jab, feint, vertical jab. Whop. See, feint, pull, head kick. Easy enough. Let's give it to him fast. Feint, vertical jab, feint, pull, head kick. Got it? All right. Jab. Yep, there we go. There we go. Very good. Close enough. All right, for our next technique to land that Muay Thai head kick, you're going to love this one. It's going to be catch the body kick, leg kick to head kick. All right? And remember, with this one, you can make it your own sauce. So if you want to bypass the leg kick and go straight to the head kick, you can do that also. Here we go. He block, he kick. Block. I don't care. All right, you go leg kick, boom. Oh, that's gonna hurt him. And then you go head kick, bam. Easy enough. One more time. We're gonna give it to him fast, Tito. You ready? So the technique is catch the body kick, leg kick, look down, guys. That's part of it. Don't forget that principle. Trick them with your eyes. Then when you look down, bang, head kick. I recommend actually using the question mark kick on this one because, think about this. If you kick, and then I kick back when you catch it, right? Boom. That's pretty much elementary. Everybody knows that. So after you catch, bang, I'm looking down. He thinks you're going to catch it. And then you question mark kick, okay? The question mark kick is still same as the head kick. Only thing that you're doing is just bringing it up here first, okay? The head kick comes straight from the ground. Question mark kick, it goes here, bop, and then it's a whip, boom. Remember, make it your own sauce. Hit us in the comment section and let us know how it worked out for you. Here we go, Tito. Very nice. On that one, it didn't even look like a question mark from my angle. It looked like he jumped straight into it. That's another way to land a head kick. We didn't cover it, but we got you. All right? One more time. You want to explain that, Tito?
Yes.
He's going off the cuff. Sometimes you got to improvise, all right? Let him cook. Let him cook. One more again. Okay, bam. So what are you doing now?
I bring my right leg all the way back, and with this left leg, I jump up and I kick.
Bang. There we go. Very nice. That's another way you can do it. But guys, be careful in sparring because it's not really cool to throw those type of moves, all right? But, save it for the fight. One more again. So this time, I want question mark kick after the body kick, after the body catch. You ready? Bye-bye. Up. Oh, there we go. Very easy. Multiple ways to set up the Muay Thai head kick. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.